The hybrid SUV market has grown rapidly for 2026, but not all hybrids are built to last. Some develop serious problems well before 100,000 miles, while others are engineered to run for hundreds of thousands of miles. In this video, we break down the 3 worst and 3 best hybrid SUVs for long-term ownership. Based on reliability data, real-world ownership trends, and proven engineering. Starting with the worst offenders and working toward the most dependable options. At number 3, we have the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe. They are widely regarded as some of the least reliable hybrids on the market. Since their launch in 2021, both models have faced a long list of serious issues, including hybrid battery failures, engine problems, electrical faults, and even fire risks. Many of these problems are not only complicated to diagnose, but also expensive to repair, making ownership a constant headache for some buyers. Part of the issue is that these vehicles are overly complex for what they offer. The hybrid systems, combined with Jeep's traditional off-road hardware, create a package that is difficult to engineer and maintain properly. Build quality has also been criticized, with components prone to failure and long-term durability concerns. Reliability ratings and owner reports consistently place the 4xe models near the bottom of hybrid rankings. For anyone considering a hybrid SUV in 2026, these models are hard to recommend. Between the frequent issues, costly repairs, and overall complexity, the safest advice is simple: just stay away. The trouble with Stellantis hybrids doesn't end with Jeep. At the number 2 spot, we have the Dodge Hornet and Alfa Romeo Tonale. These 2 models are mechanically identical, and both have been plagued with reliability issues from day one, most of them related to electronics. Owners frequently face dealership visits and ongoing warranty problems, which can make ownership frustrating and unpredictable. Adding to the concerns, both vehicles rely on a small, overstressed 1.3-liter turbo engine, which can create long-term durability issues. Build quality and engineering have been criticized, leaving these hybrids less robust than competitors in the same class. Dealer inventory also tells the story. Many dealerships struggle to sell these cars, often offering discounts of 20% or more, which is a strong signal that buyers should be cautious. For anyone prioritizing reliability and low-maintenance ownership, the advice is straightforward: avoid these models. They may look modern and efficient on paper, but in real-world use, they have proven to be some of the most problematic hybrids on the market. The number 1 spot highlights the Chevrolet Blazer EV, and it's a prime example of the risks that come with brand new electric vehicles. When the Blazer EV first launched, it faced so many reliability issues that GM was forced to issue a stop sale to address the problems. Early buyers ended up with a frustrating ownership experience, encountering bugs and faults that should have been resolved before production. This wasn't an isolated case. Other GM EVs, like the Cadillac Lyriq, experienced similar problems, with many owners reporting issues that contributed to both models receiving some of the lowest reliability ratings in Consumer Reports' 2025 study. The Blazer EV does show promise. GM can make solid electric vehicles when the engineering is right, but the early production woes highlight a key point. Buying a brand new vehicle in its first year can be risky. For GM's EVs, it's wise to wait until the company has had time to fully address the issues and refine the vehicles. This situation is a clear reminder that new EVs can carry extra uncertainty in their initial production year, and patience can save buyers from headaches down the road. Now that we've covered the hybrid SUVs you'll want to avoid, it's time to shift focus to the models that actually get it right. But before we continue, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Coming in at number 3 are the Toyota Highlander Hybrid and the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid, 2 of the strongest 3-row hybrid SUVs you can buy. Both are powered by Toyota's proven 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid system, producing around 243 horsepower in the Highlander Hybrid and about 245 horsepower in the Grand Highlander Hybrid. Performance is smooth and predictable, and more importantly, fuel efficiency is excellent for vehicles this size. Most versions deliver mid-30s miles per gallon combined, whether you choose front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The main difference between them is space. The Highlander Hybrid is slightly smaller and more affordable, while the Grand Highlander Hybrid offers noticeably more interior and cargo room, making it the better choice for larger families. Both can seat 7 or 8 passengers comfortably, with a third row that's actually usable. What really makes these SUVs stand out in 2026 is how well they balance size, efficiency, and long-term value. They aren't performance-focused, but they're smooth to drive, excellent in city fuel economy, and built to last. Strong resale value and Toyota's reputation for reliability only add to their appeal. Coming in at number 2 is the Honda CR-V Hybrid, which is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a two-motor hybrid system, producing 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque. The result is confident, effortless acceleration with plenty of everyday power and a smooth, predictable driving feel thanks to Honda's direct-drive hybrid setup. It handles city traffic easily, merges onto highways without strain, and feels refined in normal driving. Fuel efficiency is one of its biggest strengths. The front-wheel drive version delivers about 43 miles per gallon in the city, 36 miles per gallon on the highway, and 40 miles per gallon combined, while all-wheel drive returns roughly 40 miles per gallon in the city, 34 miles per gallon on the highway, and 37 miles per gallon combined. In metric terms, that's approximately 6.0 liters per 100 kilometers combined for two-wheel drive and 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers for all-wheel drive, making it one of the most efficient SUVs in its class. Inside, the CR-V Hybrid is spacious, comfortable, and highly practical. The cabin is clean and well laid out, controls are intuitive, seats are comfortable for long drives, and cargo space is generous. Another major advantage is availability. Unlike many hybrids with long wait times, the CR-V Hybrid is often readily available. All of this is why the Honda CR-V Hybrid earns the runner-up spot. With 204 horsepower, 247 pound-feet of torque, excellent fuel economy, strong reliability, comfort, and easy availability, it remains one of the best all-around hybrid SUVs you can buy in 2026. At number 1 is the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, and it earns this spot by simply doing almost everything better than its rivals. For 2026, the RAV4 lineup is fully electrified, with hybrid powertrains now standard. The RAV4 Hybrid uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with Toyota's latest hybrid Synergy drive system and electric motors, working through a smooth ECVT transmission. Front-wheel drive models produce 226 horsepower, while all-wheel drive versions deliver 236 horsepower, giving the RAV4 confident, effortless performance without sacrificing efficiency. Fuel economy is a major strength. Front-wheel drive models achieve about 41 miles per gallon in the city, 38 miles per gallon on the highway, and 40 miles per gallon combined, while all-wheel drive versions return roughly 40 miles per gallon in the city, 36 miles per gallon on the highway, and 38 miles per gallon combined. Those numbers are exceptional for a compact SUV that still offers real-world utility. On the road, the RAV4 Hybrid feels smooth, responsive, and more confident than most buyers expect. Acceleration off the line is strong, highway merging is easy, and the SUV feels balanced and composed in everyday traffic. It's not meant to be sporty, but it never feels underpowered. Exactly what most hybrid buyers want. What truly separates the RAV4 Hybrid from the competition is versatility. When properly equipped, it can tow up to 3,500 pounds, a class-leading figure for compact hybrid SUVs. It also offers modern safety tech, practical features, and even a spare tire, something many competitors leave out. Backed by Toyota's proven reliability, low ownership costs, and excellent resale value, the RAV4 Hybrid stands out as one of the smartest long-term buys in the segment. Availability can be a challenge due to high demand, but if you can find one, it's arguably the best hybrid SUV you can buy in 2026. Thanks for watching.